Salut, je m'appelle Sniti. Je suis the professeur de français, and today we are going to start with the Q&A part 2 of lesson number 8, La famille de Manuel. It means the family of Manuel, of Apprenons le français part 1, which is published by the Saraswati House. So we have completed with the reading part, the master key and the question and answers part 1, in which we covered from the question number 1 till the question number 6. And in this video of question number part 2, we are going to cover from the question number 7 till the question number 11. So let us start with the first question of this video, which is the 7th question of lesson number 8, that is mete au pluriel. It means put in plural form. So here are sentences given to us in black and we need to convert them into plural form. I have done that using the blue pen and underlined the changes with the red pen. So the first sentence here we have is Elle parle français. She speaks French. So that would be transformed into Elles parlent français. It means they speak French. And what is the difference here? Elle becomes else, the subject pronoun becomes the plural subject pronoun, and the singular français becomes the plural français. Then we have the second sentence, that is ils aiment la moto. Il aime la moto. Il aime la moto means he loves the moto. So that would be transformed into ils aiment les motos. They love the moto. Then we have the third one, that is j'habite à Paris. I live in Paris. So that would be transformed into nous habitons à Paris. Nous, the subject pronoun will change, and also the conjugation with that. À Paris, we live in Paris. Then we have the fourth sentence, that is il a une glace. He has a ice cream. That would be transformed into ils ont des glaces. They have some ice cream. Then we have the fifth sentence, that is tu regardes la télévision. You watch the television. So that would be transformed into vous regardez les télévisions. You watch the televisions. So that was all for question number 7. Bravo to you all. And now let us go on to the question number 8. So here we are at the question number 8 and let us read it out. Lisez et complétez avec les autocollants. It means read and complete using the autocollant. Autocollant means stickers. And here we have two paragraphs, A and B part, in which a short paragraph is written to us and we need to place the stickers in the underlines or the fill in the blanks that are given to us. But instead of doing that, I have written it with a green pen so that it would be much more easier to understand where do we need to paste the stickers and to differentiate between the paragraph part and the stickers. Then we have the B part. In this you can differentiate or you can paste them in another order that would be suitable to you, but I have done it in the same way. Like it is just the name of fruits and the vegetables that you can see here, pom, orange, these two are fruits. So you can paste them in another order as well, that orange can come in front. So let us read with the first part, that is Manuel habite avec ses parents. Manuel lives with his parents. Le père et la mère de Manuel sont très gentils. The father and the mother of Manuel are very gentle. Le frère de Manuel a 6 ans et la sœur a 10 ans. It means the brother of Manuel is 6-year-old and the sister of Manuel is 10 years. Then we have les grands-parents de Manuel habitent à Marseille. It means the grandparents of Manuel habitent en Marseille. It means they live in Marseille. Il adore le grand-père et la grand-mère. He adores his grandfather and grandmother. So here we have done the A part, and now let us skip on to the B part. That is j'aime les fruits. I love the fruits. J'adore la pomme et la orange. It means I love the pomme, apple and the orange. Mon frère, ils aiment l'ananas et le raisin. It means he loves the ananas, means the pineapple, and raisin means the grapes. Then we have il adore la apricot. Apricot means the apricot. Mais il déteste les légumes. It means but he detests or hates the vegetables. So here we have completed with the question number 8, and now let us go on to the question number 9. So here we are at the question number 9, and let us read it out. Écoutez dit si les verbes ont la même prononciation ou non. It means listen and tell if the verbs have the same pronunciation or not. So if they do, then we are going to tick it on the V, and if they do not have the same pronunciation, then we are going to tick it on the no. So always remember that if it is ils parlons, ils, whenever the subject pronoun ils come and there is also the subject pronoun il, elle or je in the singular form, then they will have the same pronunciation. Then if we see tu and il subject pronouns pronunciation will be the same, but the others will not be. So let us read the first part, that is il parle, ils parlent. So this have the same pronunciation. Then we have the next one, that is j'aime, nous aimons. So this do not have the same pronunciation. Then we have the third part, that is vous regardez, ils regardent. So this also do not have the same pronunciation. Then we have the fourth one, that is tu adores, il adore. So this do have the same pronunciation. Then we have the fifth part, that is il habite, ils habitent. So this also do have the same pronunciation. Then if we see to the sixth one, that is vous aimez, ils aiment. So this do not have the same pronunciation. My bad, it is ils aiment, ils aiment. So this also do not have the same pronunciation. Then we have the seventh part, that is tu habites, and then we have vous habitez. So this also do not have the same pronunciation. Then if we see to the eighth part, that is il regarde, il aime. So this also do not have the same pronunciation. Now you might be wondering that both the subject pronouns are same, then why is not the pronunciation same? The difference is that the verb is different here. भाई verb ही अगर अलग हो गया तो उसकी pronunciation कैसे same होगी? Then we have the ninth part, that is ils regardent, ils aiment. So this also do not have the same pronunciation, as the verbs are different but the subject pronoun are same. Still it is wrong. Then we have the 10th part, which is the same example for the same subject pronoun but the different verbs, that is nous parlons, nous aimons. So this do not have the same pronunciation. So here we have completed with the question number 9, and now we'll go on to the question number 10. But before doing so, let me remind you that these pronunciations are very important, and you can reback the video to see their pronunciation, and you need to learn them to learn French. Now here we are at the question number 10, and let us read it out. Mettez le dialogue en ordre. It means put the dialogues in order. So first we are going to read all of these dialogues, then understand their meaning, and then read them once again in order. So the first sentence here we have is non, je suis italien. Et toi? No, I am Italian. And you? Then we have quel âge as-tu? It is an interrogative sentence in which the person is asking that what is your age. Then we have Pedro, tu es français. This is also an interrogative sentence in which the person is asking that Pedro, are you French? Then we have another interrogative sentence, that is comment tu t'appelles. It means what is your name? Then we have the fourth sentence, that is moi je suis espagnol. Me, I am Spanish. Je m'appelle Pedro. I am Pedro. My name is Pedro. Then we have j'ai 12 ans. I am 12-year-old. So here we understood the meaning and read the sentences. Now let us read them in order that I have done it. The first sentence here we have is Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? Then we have Je m'appelle Pedro. I am Pedro. My name is Pedro. Then we have the third sentence. Quel âge as-tu? What is your age? J'ai 12 ans. I am 12-year-old. Then we have the fifth sentence. Pedro, tu es français? Pedro, are you French? No, je suis italien. Et toi? No, I am Italian. And you? Then we have the seventh sentence, which is the last sentence. That is, moi, je suis espagnol. Me, I am Spanish. So here we have completed the question number 10, and now let us go on to the last question of part 2 of Q&A, that is the 11th question. So here we are at the question number 11, and let us read it out. Décrivez votre mère en 5 et 6 lines. It means describe your mother in 5 to 6 lines. So here I have written the paragraph for you all, in which I'll tell you its all meaning, but in this, the places where I have put dash, you need to fill the information there by yourself on your own, and that would be very easy for you, as you just need to fill the name of your mother and the age. So answer here we have is, ma mère s'appelle dash. First I'll read it all in French and they'll tell you the meaning. Elle a dash ans, elle est jolie, elle est sympathique et aussi très gentille. Ma mère est meilleure. Je suis très heureux quand je suis à côté d'elle. J'aime beaucoup ma mère et maintenant ma famille aussi. It means that my mother's name is dash, you can fill it out. She is dash year old, you can also fill it out by yourself. Then we have she is jolly. So I am underlining all of the new words. She is jolly, elle est jolie, or this can also mean she is pretty. Then we have elle est sympathique, she is sympathetic, and then she is also very gentle. Gentille means gentle. Ma mère est meilleure, it means my mother is the best. Meilleur means the best, and it is a very good word that you can use in paragraph like this. Then we have the next sentence, that is, I am very happy when I am around her or next to her. Then we have the last and the ending sentence, that is always, I love my mother a lot and my family also. So bravo to you all. Here we have completed the question number 11, and with that the Q&A part 2 of lesson number 8, which is La Famille de Manuel. I hope that you liked the video, enjoyed it and understood the whole concept. So now we'll meet in the next video of the reading part of lesson number 9 in the next playlist. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye and have a nice day.